This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by reducing immediate bottlenecks. Open Roblox settings and set graphics mode to manual and quality to 1 or 2 so the engine renders simpler frames. Once done, close heavy background apps and overlays because CPU and GPU cycles matter. Make sure cloud syncs are paused. Next, switch your power plan to high performance and plug in your laptop so throttling won't limit frame pacing. These actions produce the largest FPS jump quickly and prepare your system for deeper tweaks. Now you optimize both system and in-game rendering. Update your GPU drivers and enable the best API available. This fixes performance regressions and improves driver-level scheduling. Then lower in-game resolution or run Roblox windowed at 1280 by 720 so fewer pixels are processed. Disable VSync to avoid input-induced frame caps, reduce render distance, and turn off shadows to cut GPU load. While doing this, monitor FPS with a simple overlay to see which change moves the needle and repeat the most effective ones. To finish, stabilize and protect your gains. Set an FPS cap slightly below your monitor refresh to reduce microstutter and frame pacing issues. Clear temporary files and check temperatures. If your CPU or GPU is thermal throttling, clean fans or consider a mild undervolt to sustain higher clocks. If you still see stutters, perform a clean boot to isolate background services and roll back any recent driver updates that introduced problems. If nothing helps, test on another account or device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.